Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. I'm having some computer issues at the moment which prevent me from posting as usual, but they should be resolved soon. I made today's video with my old laptop, which unfortunately can't handle very much, and that's the reason why today we will just have a look at a bit of vocabulary. Before we start, I did want to talk about an event that's coming up and that could be interesting for you. The cafe Bei de Minettsdäpp8 in Esch is organizing a day around Lëtzebuergesch board games for the European Heritage Day. It will take place on October 1st, starting at 2:30 in the afternoon, and in the evening there will even be Luxembourgish food. It's the perfect occasion to go and practice the language a bit and also to discover a very charming aspect of culture. It's also an occasion to come and say hi to me because I will be there filming a bit in the afternoon. I'll leave all the information in the description box and who knows, maybe I'll see some of you there. And with this said, let's start with today's lesson.
Wat as dat, wei as dat. Comme annoncé, aujourd'hui, on va donc faire un peu de vocabulaire. Wat as dat? De fernseh, e fernseh, or tele, eng tele. De computer, e computer. De radio, e radio. Den handy, een handy. Den telefoon, een telefoon. Bed, e bed. Bidden, eng bidden. De canapé, e canapé. De frigo, e frigo. De stoel, e stoel. D'commode, eng commode. Wei as dat? Chunk as futti. Chunk as ganz. Den Dach as hell. Nucht as deichter. Den Hues as sehr. D'Schildkröt as lues. Ech si froh. Ech sin traurig. Ech sin de Gilbert. Ech schaffen op enger Bank. Ech si viel Telefon an Computer. Ech fuhre mam Auto schaffen. Et ass ëmmer viel Stau, me de Bus ass ze lues. Mam Auto sinn ech méi séier. Owes sinn ech froh, wann ech doheem sinn. Ech heeche Cookie an ech még Famill viel gär. Ech sinn traurig, wa sie net doheem sinn. Ech machen am Haus neicht Futti. Ech schlofe gär Kanapé. Wann et deichter ass, hunn ech Angst a verstoppe mech ënner dem Bett. Ech hun bitte guer net gär.